So we're walking up onto the Walls of Lucca now. This is just one of the many ways to get onto the walls.
No, la persona anziana, capelli lunghi.
It's not just the circle of the walls you've got. You've got these amazing little ramparts that are little just grassy edges that will have, this one's got a restaurant on it, for example. Some do have some parks on and some other little like statues, you know, things like that. It's quite muddy. Probably not the best shoes to be wearing walking in the mud, but so this is the edge of the walls, and as you can see, looking over, you've got the ring road that goes around the centre of Lucca. Let's get back on the main path so my feet don't get too wet. Let's go and see who this guy is, shall we? Let's check him out. Who have we got here? We have got Benedetto Caroli. There he is. Don't know who he is, but there he is. Past by my little line, a little piece of blue sky. We had rain all day yesterday, so please let us get a bit of sunshine today. Oh, you can see the clouds are definitely clearing over the mountain there now, which is a good sign. Try and zoom in a bit for you. There we go. But they are definitely clearing now, which is good news. must be about halfway, just over halfway now from where I started. Just inside the wall there's another big wall. That is the prison. Yes, just we've got the walls here defending the city, and then we've got a wall there defending us from the criminals. Very quiet bit of the walls I've got here all to myself. It's quite nice. It's okay to now talk to myself and not feel like a nutter. As you can see, this rampart's got like a little park on it for kids. Like I said, oh, big step down there. But yeah, as you can see, this is one of the ramparts. This one's got like a little play area for children, some swings. In fact, I might be childlike and sit on the swing myself. Oh god, this is really soft ground. Very, very soft ground. It has rained a lot in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the walls are literally massive. I think they're about 4 kilometres around, just over 4 kilometres. Try and get back onto the path as quickly as possible. This is very squidgy ground, very, very squidgy. So this is where Park Run started yesterday. So I've almost completed a full loop. I think I'm going to head back down now into the city and try and find some coffee and some food. See what else is going on in the city centre.